Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the softening of water by ion exchange process. We know that there are two types of water are there, soft water and hard water. Hard water is not used for the domestic purpose due to higher concentration of dissolved salts of calcium, magnesium and iron. In order to make it a domestic purpose use, we have to reduce the concentration of dissolved salt present in the water. That means we have to reduce the hardness, and it can be done by ion exchange process. Ion exchange process is the exchange of one type of ion with another ion. Ion exchange process can be done by using the ion exchange resin. The ion exchange resins are organic polymer network. They are having the ionizable groups, so that they will exchange the one particular ion from the water with them. There are two types of ion exchange resins are there. One is cation exchange resin and second one is anion exchange resin. The cation exchange resin is the polymer network which is having the ionizable groups like SO3H and COH. They will ionize this and give the H plus ion, and this plus H plus ion is exchanged with cation present in the water like calcium and magnesium. The example for cation exchange resin is sulfonated polystyrene. Next one is anion exchange resin. These are the resins which is having the NH2, NHCH3 and NCH3 twice OH groups, so that they will exchange the anionic portion of the minerals with OH minus ion, so that they will donate the OH minus ion to the water and they will accept the anions present in the water. The examples for anion exchange resin are cross-linked quaternary ammonium salts. The process involved in the ion exchange resin is as shown in the figure. In the first tank, they are going to take the cation exchange resin. The cation exchange resin is used to exchange the cations present in the water. Then below this cation exchange resin, they are going to keep the granite granules. It is just like a mixture of salt and mud and small stones. In the second tank, they are going to take the anion exchange resin, and below that anion exchange resin also they are going to keep the granite granules. First, hard water is passed with the cation exchange resin chamber, where the H plus ion present in the resin is exchanged with cations present in the water like Ca plus 2 and Mg plus 2, so that this calcium ion come in sit in a cation exchange resin and it will donate the H plus ion in the water. After completion of this process, whatever the water is coming outside, it is pumped into anionic chamber. In this anionic chamber, this anion exchange resin is going to exchange the OH minus ions with anion present in the water. For example, if the Cl minus ion present in the water is exchanged with OH minus ion, where Cl is come in sit in the structure of resin and OH minus ion will become free and it is donated into the water. Here cation exchange resin already donated H plus ion and OH minus ion is donated by anion exchange resin, and they will combine with each other and they will produce the water. Whatever the water coming outside, it is completely free from the high concentrated of dissolved salts. Then this resin is used again and again. But before using it, we have to regenerate the resin, because here cation is containing, instead of ionizable group, it is containing Ca and Mg, and anion group containing OH, instead of OH minus, it is containing negative anions like chlorine and sulfate. So we have to regenerate the resins first. It will be done by first For the regeneration of cation exchange resin, here acid is fast. When for the regeneration of cation exchange resin, acid is formed. Initially, calcium and magnesium ions are exchanged with water. When we are going to fast the acid, the H plus ion present in the acid is going to exchange the calcium ion present in the water, and it is going to form the calcium chloride. If it is containing Mg ion in the resin, it is exchanged with H plus ions from the acid, and it is going to form the magnesium chloride. Next, anion exchange resin is regenerated by using base. By passing the alkali on the surface of anion exchange resin. It can be done by following reaction. Here already anion exchange resin exchanged the negative ions that is anions from the water. So when we are going to fast the base, that time OH minus ion present in the base is going to exchange with the negative anions present in the resins, and it is here anion exchange resin is regenerated. After this all process, this entire chambers are washed with distilled water. Again ion exchange process is restarted.